Yes, we are returning and we're thrilled to be back. It's our third time to do it and it's always nice to be asked and nice to get a little show on TV as well. Excited. Yeah, Vicky Kenny's our contestant. She's doing really well and she's taking it very, very seriously, as all the contestants would be. And she's delighted to be on the show and putting a lot of work, a lot of effort. And yeah, she's very, very excited, very excited. There's quite a lot of travelling because we're a corporate wedding band and we do functions. It's, they could be anywhere. Travelling doesn't really matter. The diary is, I think they have a dartboard in the office actually. Lorraine loves to light the fire, sit down and probably watch The Simpsons with her two sons. I have two boys. Sean is 13 and Dean is 10. So I enjoy their company and they're good fun. No, it's not been hard. It's not hard at all to be in a band full of men. They look after you, they look out for you and you feel quite safe. And I've been working with men probably since I was 13. That would be my dad and my two brothers when I first started music. So from then until now, it's always been men. Smisha Lorraine Mc Donald, Féigi Gí, ar GlórTíre Gach Céadaoin, ar TG4.